Hey guys, I just get back to my place. So this is one STARY. I bought it from a STARY baker in China. So let's check it out. Before we check it out, let's check this white box. As you can see that it's 4.9 kilogram, not 5.2. Let's check the back side. Box is pretty good. Yes, pretty good, I think. Let's check this shit out. Here we go. STARY. A cute icon, right? Now, use wheels. This is really lighter than the beta STARY board. Check out this small box. This is a remote. Owner's man. Look at it all.
Oh yeah,
Yeah. 5 wheels. A micro USB cable. Yeah, we all know what it is. This is, I guess this is for right. I think this is a gift from STARY. I may use it on my iPhone 5s. Nothing else. Charger. This one is lighter than the beta one. I think I'm gonna buy a new better quality charger. This smart charger. As you can see that this black thing used to be white, silver, but now it's black. Seems like STARY is a change. So that's it. That's everything. That's everything. Can't wait to ride it. But my mom is asking me to have dinner. So see you later.